Is your DStv decoder not responding to the remote? You're not alone. This is one of the most common technical issues reported by DStv subscribers. The good news is that remote control issues usually boil down to three main causes. Battery problems are by far the most common, accounting for about 60% of all cases. Signal transmission problems make up around 25% of cases, while mode and pairing issues are responsible for the remaining 15%. Battery-related issues are the most frequent culprit. This includes weak or depleted batteries, corrosion on the terminals, incorrect installation, or poor contact due to worn battery springs. Signal transmission problems occur when the infrared signal from the remote is blocked or weakened. This includes physical obstructions, faulty components, or being too far from the decoder. Mode and pairing issues involve the remote being in the wrong device mode, losing its connection with the decoder, or experiencing interference from other infrared devices in your home. Newer DStv remotes are evolving beyond traditional infrared technology. They now integrate Bluetooth connectivity alongside IR, and some premium models even offer voice control features for improved reliability and convenience. Understanding these three main causes puts you well on your way to solving most DStv remote control problems. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific troubleshooting steps to get your remote working again. The first and most common fix is checking your batteries. Start by replacing them with fresh alkaline batteries. Clean any white or green corrosion from the battery terminals using a dry cloth, and make sure the positive and negative ends are correctly positioned. If battery replacement doesn't work, the issue is likely with the infrared signal between your remote and decoder. Use a soft cloth to clean the infrared sensor on your decoder and the LED light on your remote. Make sure nothing is blocking the path between them. If the signal path is clear, but the remote still doesn't work, try resetting the remote mode and repairing it with your decoder. Try the mode reset first by holding the STB button. If that doesn't work, repair the remote by holding back and OK together. As a last resort, remove the batteries for 30 seconds for a complete factory reset. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact DStv support or consider updating your decoder software for professional assistance. Most remote control issues can be resolved with these simple troubleshooting steps. Start with the batteries, check the signal path, try the reset procedures, and contact support if needed.